created a Vitality Plus program where you get points and credit as you sign up and you do these different activities. And then we try and offer on a regular basis a whole series of different programs within the firm that you can go. And yoga, I think they're doing a boot camp right now. They do a whole variety of things, as well as you can then, it'll supplement your health club membership and other things like that. Well, I guess I had reached that point after 30 years of running where I was having injuries, I was having back problems, and I happened to go by Lacey, who heads up our Vitality Plus program, and she was telling me they'd started a new yoga class. I'd seen them before. I thought it was crazy. I would never do yoga. But she said, you know, my back is much better ever since I started doing yoga. So I said, all right, I'll go give it a try. And so we had a lady, Shannon, who was a terrific instructor, works in our office. She also instructs in a studio. And it was just across the street at the Y, so I went and tried it, and frankly, I loved it. It was a great class. She was a good instructor, and so I started doing this. It was a 10-week series. I managed to do all 10 weeks, and when I got in there, I realized just how much over the years running and other things I tightened up and lost flexibility, didn't have strength in certain areas, and I started feeling better and better. When I finally finished the 10 weeks, I didn't want to give up my fitness. So I then have joined the studio where Shannon teaches full-time, and now I'm practicing 3 times a week, and it's made a major impact in my life.